So here we have in this problem, it's given that we have an arithmetic progression. The mth term of that AP is 1 over n, and the nth term of the same AP has a value 1 over m. Then using this information, we need to determine the sum of the mnth term. So let's begin. So first, let's consider that the first term be represented by our letter A in lowercase, and the common difference, since it's an AP, we also have to specify the common difference. So let it be represented by the letter D in lowercase. Now we're going to use the formula for the nth term. The nth term is given by first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Now we'll try to find out the mth term. So am, this is going to be equals to a plus m minus 1 times the common difference d, and here it's given that the mth term, that's simply equals to 1 over n. So we have 1 over n equals to a plus m minus 1 times the common difference d. So let's label this as number 1. Then we are also given that the nth term, so here nth term, which is represented by a plus n minus 1 times d, has a value of 1 over m. So we have 1 over m, that's equals to a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. So let's label this as equation number 2. And what we'll do, we'll subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So that means we will get 1 over m minus 1 over n, which is equals to n minus 1 times d minus m minus 1 times d. Combining the two terms on the left hand side, we have n minus m divided by mn, which is equals to n minus 1. So we're going to take d as the common factor. So we have n minus 1 minus m plus 1 multiplied to d. This now gives us n minus n divided by m times n, which is equals to n minus m multiplied to d. So clearly n minus m will get factored out from both sides. So this is going to give us the value of d, which is 1 over m times n. So let's label this as equation number 3. So now that we have the value of the common difference, we can also use it to obtain the value of our first term a. You can use either of equation 1 or equation 2. So let's use equation number 1. So if we use equation number 1, then we have 1 over n. So this is equals to a plus m minus 1 times the common difference, which is 1 over mn. So we have 1 over n equals to a plus m over mn minus 1 over mn. That gives us 1 over n equals to a plus 1 over n minus 1 over mn. So here 1 over n cancels out, and that leaves us with a equals to 1 over mn. So let this be number 4. So now that we have obtained our common difference as well as the first term, we are now ready to obtain sum of the mnth term, sum of mn. So here we're going to use the standard formula. So our standard formula S of n, sum up to the n terms, that's given by n over 2 multiplied to 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. Since we're trying to find out the sum of the mn terms, so we'll have m times n divided by 2 whole multiplied to 2 times a. So a here is 1 over mn plus mn minus 1 times the common difference, which is 1 over mn. So this is going to give us the value mn over 2. Now here we can see that both the two terms within the parentheses has a factor of 1 over mn. So we can factor it out, and this leaves us with 2 plus mn minus 1. And we have mn and mn cancelling out from the numerator and the denominator. So this leaves us with half multiplied to mn. So we have 2 minus 1, that will be positive 1. So the sum up to the mn term is going to be half multiplied to mn plus 1.